Chief Meteorologist Jamie Warner.
Well, we started the day off with rain and cloudy skies. We ended up with partly cloudy skies. We're finding that in Miami, Oklahoma, and we're finding that here in Springfield as well. You can see some glimmers of sunshine coming in through the clouds. Skies have been partly to mostly cloudy throughout the afternoon. Really, the big story this afternoon has been the wind. Winds have gusted over 40 miles per hour at times. They're still very brisk out of the northwest at 20 miles per hour. That's making that 29-degree reading feel a whole lot worse. Right now, we're looking at wind chills in the teens in Springfield. Notice it is a quiet scene across the Ozarks. Here's a peek of the numbers right now, ranging from middle 20s to the north to lower 30s to the south. And again, when you factor in those brisk winds, we've got wind chills in the upper single digits in Rolla right now. 14 is what it feels like at Lake of the Ozarks, 16 here in Springfield, and 22 in Branson. So it's kind of night. Or if you can stay indoors, please do so, because wind chills will continue to drop into the single digits as we work deeper into the night tonight. And this is just Arctic blast number one. We've got another one that is welling up across the Dakotas into Canada. And this is really part of that polar plunge, that polar vortex that people have been talking about really going back to last week, that'll sweep across the upper Midwest and into the Great Lakes with some bitterly cold conditions for those locations. We're just going to see a glancing shot here in the Ozarks. Again, going into the overnight hours tonight, we'll find plenty cold enough temperatures tonight, dropping into the low to middle teens with wind chills in the single digits. That's just with the first wave of Arctic air. We get a little bit of a brief reprieve tomorrow as winds for a time become westerly. They're going to remain breezy, but we're going to be able to kick out some of this Arctic air during the day, with temperatures trying to recover into the 30s for afternoon highs. But yet another blast of Arctic air coming in during the afternoon, and it'll come with clouds and an outside shot at maybe some snow flurries. But again, the bigger story will be that next wave of Arctic attack. Here's our hour-by-hour forecast. Again, mostly clear, very cold by morning. Tomorrow, we'll find mostly sunny skies for the morning hours, but clouds will be on the increase to the north by noon, and that will be with that next Arctic front that will drop south across the area during the afternoon hours. And I know it shows a lot of blue here on the map, indicating some light snow, but right now I think there's going to be some very dry air near the surface that may make it tough for any snow to make it down to the surface, so just a chance for maybe a few snow flurries. Overnight temperatures tonight, again, dropping into the teens in most locations, maybe 9 though by morning in Rolla. Here in Springfield, looks like an overnight low of about 13 with a high tomorrow of 35, not getting above freezing closer to central Missouri tomorrow. And again, that next wave of brutally cold weather, that'll send lows into the minus 20 to minus 40 degree range across the upper Midwest and into the Great Lakes as that chunk of bitterly cold air sweeps across the eastern United States. Notice it's a glancing shot here locally, but as it comes in, we're going to find more gusty winds, and wind chill advisories are in effect for tomorrow night through noon Wednesday, with wind chills in the 0 to minus 20 degree range and very frigid highs for Wednesday afternoon. Looks like temperatures will top out in the upper teens to low 20s. Looks like about 20 here in Springfield for a high on Wednesday after a morning low of 6 degrees. That'll be our coldest day of the winter so far. But look at the rebound in temperatures the remainder of the week and through this upcoming weekend. The only thing holding us back from seeing highs in the 60s over the weekend would be cloud cover, and I think we may see just enough sun to at least get close.
And we were like doubling our temperatures.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
It's a pretty incredible switch, right?
It sure is.
How about we switch to our Viewers Club now?
Yeah, and our Viewers Club number for tonight is 129-838. Our jackpot stands at $500.
All right, Jamie, thank you. Coming up